If you have a Galaxy Watch 9, you can make WhatsApp calls directly from your wrist without taking out your phone. In this video, I'll show you how to set up WhatsApp calling on the Galaxy Watch 9 and how to answer WhatsApp calls using the watch's built-in microphone and speaker. First, make sure your Galaxy Watch 9 is connected to your smartphone and has an active internet connection through Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or LTE. Now, open the Play Store on your Galaxy Watch 9 and download the WhatsApp app. Once WhatsApp is installed, open it on the watch. You will need to log in or link your WhatsApp account with the phone. Follow the instructions shown on the watch and smartphone to complete the setup. After logging in, there is one more important step. Open WhatsApp on your smartphone and allow WhatsApp to use calling features with your smartwatch when prompted. Make sure all the required permissions are enabled. Once everything is set up, WhatsApp calls can appear directly on your Galaxy Watch 9. So when someone calls you on WhatsApp, you don't need to immediately take out your phone. You can see the incoming WhatsApp call on your watch and answer it directly from the Galaxy Watch 9. Just tap the answer button and the call will start through the watch. The Galaxy Watch 9 has a built-in microphone and speaker, so you can talk and listen directly from your wrist. You can also answer WhatsApp call using Galaxy Buds or other connected earbuds. You can also end the call from the watch when you are finished. Sadly, you can't make a call from Galaxy Watch 9, you can only answer the call. This feature is absent on the watch for now, but it could add later. This is especially useful when your phone is in your pocket, bag, or somewhere nearby and you don't want to take it out. Keep in mind that your watch needs to be connected to the internet for WhatsApp calling to work. And that's it. Once WhatsApp is installed, your account is linked, and the calling permissions are allowed on your smartphone, you can receive WhatsApp calls directly on your Galaxy Watch 9 and answer them using its microphone and speaker.